Hello, scrapers managing brand reputation or selling reputation services. Imagine instantly finding businesses with bad ratings on Google Maps. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find businesses with bad ratings in Google Maps using filters in Outscraper, Google Maps Scraper. So let's dive right in. Head over to Outscraper and log into your account. On your profile page, click Services and go to Google Maps Scraper. Next, enter the categories that you want to scrape in Google Maps. For this example, you will try to extract restaurant places that have bad ratings in Google Maps. Let's use the exact match filter to make sure that we have filter for subtypes. Enter the location for this example, we'll try to extract from New York, USA. Let's set the maximum result limits to 500 to make sure that we have 500 results. We like to get emails from these places that have bad ratings, so let's use email and contact scraper enrichment. Let's also use the filter for this enrichment. Ignore without emails and delete email duplicates. Next, go to the advanced parameter of your task templates. There, you will see the filters. Conveniently, Outscraper already set a few quick filters. Let's click bad ratings to get places in Google Maps that have bad ratings. Once everything is set, click Get Data. Here you will be prompted by a window containing the information of your scrape. Click Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. Once the process is done, download your result. Now you have a list of businesses that have bad ratings in Google Maps and start a new campaign. And that's how you find businesses that have bad ratings in Google Maps using Outscraper, Google Maps Scraper. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!